Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are test driving those two Volkswagen. In a beautiful location. We got the sea over there. We are in Croatia. It's a little bit like a race car in here. Steering wheel. Yes, we got nice window. Interior wise, we got a speedometer over there, but no ref counter kilometers down there. They're only counting like 4 digits of your fuel, and that's probably everything. You got those flappy things over there, wiper and stuff over here. Light over there, warning lights, signal lights, horn, shifting down there, and that's how we shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, neutral and reverse. A nice window over there. Well, I can close it like this and open it like that. Yeah, really useful. I haven't seen such a useful window in years. Handbrake over there. Even we got some safety stuff. Here normally should be something to fight against the fire, but probably it was already used. Some electronical stuff over there, cigarettes, starter for the engine. I don't know. Ash. Oh no, damn, it's broken. All right. In Germany they are called Käfer, and yeah, we got nothing under this hood except from a lot of space for storage, or a little bit of space. Yeah, most important things are in here, like that one and that one, because in those cars you need it. At the rear, there is the real engine. We got a 4-cylinder box engine which produces 34 horses. Most of those cars were produced in Puebla, Mexico. Little fun fact, by the way. So let's close the roof. No, not the roof, the hood, and start this test drive. Dem ist voll egal, der hat voll Arsch, der hat
ist mir da fast gezeigt.
Wo ist denn die Airport, Alter?
Hey, film einfach alles mit, weil da geht eigentlich die Highlights gern sowas wird rausgeschnitten.
Ja, was?
Da kriegst du einen Anruf wegen